Next is simplify. 3 by 8 plus 7 by 2 plus minus 3 by 5 plus 9 by 8 plus minus 3 by 2 plus 6 by 5. Now you have to solve this. Always follow BODMAS rule. First open the brackets, then remaining thing. So 3 by 8 plus, we'll regroup this 8 8 7 on the one side, 2 2 on one side, 5 5 on one side. So 3 by 8 plus 9 by 8 plus 7 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Now why this minus? Plus minus minus. Okay, so it becomes minus 3 by 2. Then this minus 3 by 5. Why minus? Plus minus minus. So minus 3 by 5 plus 6 by 5. Okay. Now the denominators which are same can be added immediately. So 3 plus 9, 12 by 8 plus 4 by 2 plus 6 minus 3, 3 by 5. So it becomes 3 by 2. This division by 4. 3 by 2 plus 4 by 2. Now you can solve this definitely. 2 1 2 2, but it'll be, if you don't solve this and keep denominator as 2, you can solve it with this 3 by 2. So plus 4 by 2 plus 3 upon 5. Solve this. 3 plus 2 7 by 3 plus 4 7 by 2 plus 3 upon 5. Solve this now. 7 5 is 35 plus 3 to the 6 upon 5 to the 10. So 41 by 10. If the answer is in mixed fraction, convert this 10 4s and 1 as a single number in numerator. Okay. So 10 4 1 will be the answer in mixed fraction.